Hey friends, this is Refat. In this video, I will show you ways that you can change your usual email language and instantly write smarter emails. Email writing is the most necessary task that you will have to do in almost all kinds of jobs. However, we often come across situations where you get confused about how to frame what you want to say in your email in the right way. We often kill time thinking what to write and how to write it, and in most cases, some of us end up writing in the wrong way. While I was doing my internship at BRAC, the world's largest NGO, one of the major things I learned is how to improve my email game. Here's what I got to know. When you have to write really long emails, instead of saying that you are going to have to write email for 30 minutes or so, which sounds really odd, you can say it would be easier to discuss this in person. In this way, you open doors for meetings and calls that you can take instead of writing that longer emails, which would be much more effective in that scenario. When you need an update in a certain matter, instead of writing just wanted to check in, which sounds a bit informal, and in which case you are not specifying any deadline or pushing someone to do some work, you can always ask this question that when can I expect an update? In this way, you make sure that there is a deadline that someone needs to meet and you get your work done in no time. If you have already sent an email and in that email you have made some kind of error and you say, sorry, my bad, totally missed that. This makes you too apologetic and sounds a bit informal. So instead of writing this, you can write nice catch, updated file attached. Thank you for letting me know. So this language shows a little bit of confidence that this is something that you do not usually do, but at the same time, you're ensuring that the mistake is already corrected. When you are writing an email to fix a meeting with someone, in most cases, your schedule also matters. So instead of saying what works best for you and ending up with a time that you cannot manage, you can write, can you do 8 p.m. or can you do 12 p.m.? So if you mention the time, this not only makes sure that you're asking someone's availability within your own available time, but also keeps the window open for that person to renegotiate the timeline. In this way, you do not end up with a time which is not working for you. If you are late in replying to an email, instead of writing sorry for the delay, which again sounds too apologetic, you can write thanks for your patience, which shows that you are of course sorry for being delayed, but at the same time, you are empathetic. And it's much more smarter to say it in this way. If someone thanks you for something and you in reply write no problem or no worries, that also sounds a bit informal, and in that case it sounds like there would have been some kind of problem if you hadn't done the thing that you did for which that person said thanks to you. So instead of writing that, you can write always happy to help. This shows confidence, your willingness to help someone, and this shows your acceptance of the gratitude that person have shown to you. If you are proposing a new idea, which is your own, you may write, I think maybe we should. This does not sound confident enough, and this sounds that you are not sure about doing something. To show a little bit of confidence and smartness, you can write, it would be best if we do it in this way. So in this language, you are not imposing something on someone, but also ensuring that whatever you are proposing could be the best idea. If you are explaining something in your email and then at the end if you write hopefully that makes sense, to make sure that person understood what you explained, that sounds like it is something that is not usually making sense, which is not very formal, not very confident also. So instead of writing that, you can write, let me know if you have any questions. In that way, you open the door for discussion and at the same time, sound confident. These are just a few tips and there are so many more ways you can up your email game. Comment below if you know any additional strategies to write better emails so that we all can learn. I hope this will not only make you able to write smarter emails, but also will get your work done. If you like this video, please like below, and if you would love more videos like this one, kindly press the subscribe button so that you can stay around for more contents like this one. Thanks for watching. See you later.